still ain't put the bed
put
together.
your stuff in the room.
But she
No, I put your stuff in the room.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Still ain't put the bed together.
Oh, they fired. They fired. No beds together. They fired now. Room 2106, and this is the balcony room. The balcony.
With nice lounges right here.
Two lounges.
I want 2 lounges.
With
I ain't got no
2-foot
2
chairs.
lounges.
Like we in a suite, they didn't give us 2 lounges. I'm mad.
I'm mad, man. How you not gonna give us 2 lounges? But this is a very
you got a
nice
little
room.
table right here.
Got a nice height up here.
So unfortunately, they didn't put the beds together like they wanted.
We got 2 lights on each side of the bed. We got one on this side with 2 lights.
Maybe we need to keep it separate.
And see how they do this?
Want me to turn my light
I noticed this.
You know what's messed up?
That's how you save
This
money.
one has 2. That one has
No.
Oh.
That's how you save
no.
money. It's called LPTA, lowest price technically acceptable.
So this one has 2. So this person controls all the lights. That person doesn't.
Oh wow.
It's the same. It's the
only
same
has
in our
one.
room too.
So I know I'm.
You get 1 closet, no shelves.
You get some free shoes down there though.
Free
Wait,
shoes.
you
Free
get
shoes.
one
In a
row.
In a row. Lock
Safe.
safe.
Don't try and open it.
You have the mini bar. Interesting note. If you are in the sky, you are in the rooms where it's included, you get like 4 cans of soda and 3 water bottles. But that's it.
But
if
you know
it
what?
is not included, you get the full setup. You got champagne, you got little miniature bottles, you got
So the drawers are still pretty deep.
Deep drawers.
Deep drawers. But you only get 3 versus, what would we have, 6?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you got the plugs.
2 American, 1 European, just like any other room.
Oh, it does come
Got
out.
the TV, which is still away from the bed.
You do have HDMI ports on the side.
Because I bought my hard
They
drive.
do actually get a pair of binoculars. Don't steal these.
Take them with you. It's $170.
They'll charge you $170 for some stupid binoculars. The vanity does have lights over the top, not around the mirror.
You still got
you have
I like it.
better
You
than
have a shower versus a tub, which in our you have shelving, ample size. We just do a video of it.
Trash can, drawers. They're really tiny drawers. Wait, open them drawers again. Them drawers kind of look kind of
Kind of manky. Alrighty then, and that is room 2106.